Hi students, good evening everybody. Look at these problems. First question, first one solution. Limit x tending to 0, x cos of 1 by x. For doing this problem, we know that cosine function means cos function. Cosine function is bounded function, right? Cosine function is bounded by -1 and 1. Always lying between -1 and 1. Not only cosine function, sine function also lying between -1 and 1. That means we can write like this: -1 less than or equal to cos 1 by x less than or equal to 1. So this is the function bounded by -1 and 1, always lying between -1 and 1. And you have another function here, that is x. Find out the limit for that. Limit x tends to 0, x value what? 0. So this becomes 0. 0 into, this is the bounded function between -1 and 1. That means 0 into something, that value becomes 0, right? So I'll write like this: the limit of a bounded function multiplied by a function that goes to 0 should be 0, because 0 into something 0 only, no? Therefore limit x tending to 0, x cos 1 by x value 0. This limit 0 into, this is a bounded function, always oscillates between -1 and 1. So 0 into something, it becomes 0. The same way we can write here also. Second one, instead of cosine function we write sine function. Simple. So limit x tending to 0, x square sine 1 by x. Here also same. As limit x tends to 0, x square value 0. So we can write, we know that sine function is bounded by -1 and 1, right? Always lying between -1 and 1. That is -1 less than or equal to sine 1 by x less than or equal to 1. And what is the limit of x tends to 0? X square, 0 square means 0 only, no? So 0 into bounded function which oscillates between -1 and 1 always should be 0. So the limit of a bounded function multiplied by a function that goes to that value 0, must be 0. 0 into something must be 0. Therefore limit x tending to 0, x square into sine 1 by x becomes 0. Am I clear? Thank you.